Hey guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to install Bluestacks on Windows 11. Bluestacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run Android apps and games on your PC. It's a great way to play mobile games on a larger screen or to use Android apps that aren't available on Windows. Before you start, make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Bluestacks. These requirements are pretty low, so most modern PCs should be able to run Bluestacks without any problems. Windows 11, Intel Core i3 or higher, 4 GB of RAM, and 4 GB of free disk space. The first step is to download Bluestacks from the official website. Click on the browser. Write on the address bar "Download Bluestacks." Click on the Bluestacks site. You will have two versions of Bluestacks. What are the differences between them? Bluestacks 5 and Bluestacks 10 are both Android emulators that allow you to run Android apps and games on your PC. However, there are some key differences between the two versions. Bluestacks 5 uses a new hypervisor technology that is more efficient and uses fewer resources. This makes Bluestacks 5 lighter and faster than Bluestacks 10, supports a wider range of Android apps and games. Bluestacks 5 has been optimized to work with more apps and games, including some that were not previously compatible with Bluestacks. Includes new features such as the ability to record and stream gameplay, and the ability to use multiple instances of Bluestacks at the same time. Bluestacks 10 uses a hybrid cloud technology that allows you to play Android games on your PC without downloading them. This is a great option for people who have limited storage space or who want to play games that are not available in the Google Play Store. Is more compatible with older PCs. Bluestacks 10 is designed to work with older PCs that may not be able to run Bluestacks 5. Includes some features that are not available in Bluestacks 5, such as the ability to use a controller to play games. Which one should you choose? If you have a powerful PC and want the best possible performance, then Bluestacks 5 is the better choice. However, if you have an older PC or want to play Android games without downloading them, then Bluestacks 10 is a good option. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Here are some additional considerations that may help you decide which version of Bluestacks is right for you. Performance. Bluestacks 5 is generally faster and more responsive than Bluestacks 10. If you are looking for the best possible performance, then Bluestacks 5 is the better choice. Compatibility. Bluestacks 10 is more compatible with older PCs than Bluestacks 5. If you have an older PC, then Bluestacks the 10th may be a better option for you. Features. Bluestacks 5 includes more features than Bluestacks 10. If you want the most features, then Bluestacks 5 is the better choice. Personal preference. Ultimately, the best way to decide which version of Bluestacks is right for you is to try both versions and see which one you prefer. We will install Bluestacks 10, but the process is almost the same for Bluestacks 5. Once you're on the website, click on the Download Bluestacks 10 inches button. We need to select which version of Bluestacks 10 to install. Bluestacks 10 Nougat. This was the first version of Bluestacks 10, released in 2019. It was based on Android Nougat 7.1.1 and supported a wide range of Android apps and games. Bluestacks 10 Pi. This version was released in 2020 and was based on Android Pi 9.0. It included several new features, such as the ability to record and stream gameplay, and the ability to use multiple instances of Bluestacks at the same time. Bluestacks 10 with Android 11. This is the latest version of Bluestacks 10, released in 2022. It is based on Android 11.0 and includes several new features, such as the ability to use the Google Play Store, and the ability to run Android apps in a window. We will install the version with Android 11. Open the file you have downloaded. Click Yes now. Click Install now. You need to wait until the installation is complete. On my PC, the installation took a few minutes, so it is possible, depending on the speed of the internet, to be slower or faster. After the installation is complete, the app will open automatically and you can start using it. That's it. That's how you install Bluestacks on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.